Here's some daffodils that are obviously done blooming, and since I want them to multiply and not make seeds, you just cut off the flowers after they're done blooming, and you leave the foliage to make seeds, or to make more bulbs. Here's another one over here. You can see that these flowers are pretty much done blooming. See that one right there? So just cut it off right below the flower, and that will free up the plant to increase more bulbs so it doesn't make seeds. And here's some tulips. Here's some tulips that are obviously done blooming. So same goes for them. Just cut off the flowers. So they don't make seeds. Here's some more. Here's one where the petals have fallen off, and when it starts to make seeds, it'd be right inside of here, and that will actually swell up and grow in size with the seeds in there. But again, you don't want it to make seeds, you want it to make more bulbs. So you just whack off the spent flower with a nice sharp, these are grass trimmers, but they're nice and sharp and they work good. Any kind of nice sharp trimmers, pruning shears, or anything like that will work good. Here is another tulip that's done blooming. And you do this with lilies or most any bulbs, because you don't want bulbs to make seeds. You want them to make more new bulbs, and they'll be just like 2 or 3 bulbs just joined together in a clump, and that's what you want. You can see how a lot of these, it looks like there was several bulbs planted together, and actually they were single bulbs just planted, and this is how they've multiplied. Because every year I go around, and as soon as they're done blooming, I just snip off the spent flowers. Just like this one right here. Yeah. The smaller flowers, sometimes it is kind of hard, and if there's so many of them. But I think the bigger the flowers, the more important it is to snip off the spent blooms. So that's how you deadhead.